will be gone.
Ethan will be your point man as usual.
Oh, only 2 hours later, and I'm pretty annoyed. So the piston I received doesn't fit in my diverter. Hold on, I'm trying to get it so I'm all close on my face. So let's set this down right here. This right here, this is supposed to go inside of it, and it normally just pops right in. Mine doesn't. It doesn't fit, and I noticed the top of this is tapered, and this one's completely flattened out. But like it literally doesn't reach to the top, like at all. I even stood on this thing. I had this sitting like this on the floor, and I stood on it, and it just would not pop in. All it's doing is scoring the inside of this. Like, it literally won't go in. Even the O-ring got damaged. It just doesn't fit. So I got the whole car taken apart for pretty much no reason. Hold up, I'm putting this back in here, because I'm most likely going to have to send it off. Got the whole car taken apart. I didn't even struggle on the bolts everyone struggles on. I struggled getting the wastegate off. I don't think it's anybody's fault that I was sent the wrong piston, because the N26 and the N55 one are like identical, but it still doesn't fit. I put, because they replaced one of the springs. I'll take it out of the container because this is my stock one. This spring gets replaced. I put in their upgraded spring for the time being because it'll probably still make a difference. And I'm just gonna send it back with the stock one, because either way I'm gonna have to send this back and get a new one. This is too much of a bitch. I think when I get the new one, I'm just gonna take it to a shop and have it done there. Because I mean, I can do it, but god damn, that was really a pain in the ass. Definitely the hardest thing I've installed yet. And I didn't even install it. I already put like everything back together. This was a pain in the ass. Obviously, putting the wastegate back on was a pain in the ass. Putting the diverter valve back in was a pain in the ass. All I have left is the intake, but I'm already beat, so I'm just taking a breather real quick. Oh, that sucked.
Dude, that thing was shooting fucking 5 foot.
Literally, though.
How is there no problem? So.
Hey, look, it's a Supra.
Hit my cummy bone. Oh my god. It's like the one thing I say I seriously miss is that cricket noise, bro. Like, right? the only thing though I say that I don't miss about